Hey there. Looking for a straightforward credit card with a long introductory APR offer? The BankAmericard is a popular choice, and applying and using it is simple. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to apply and use it. You can apply online at bankofamerica.com or in a branch. The card is known for its 0% introductory APR period on purchases and balance transfers, making it a great tool for financing a large purchase or consolidating higher interest debt. Once approved, use it like any other credit card. The key is to have a plan to pay off any balance before the introductory period ends to avoid high standard interest rates. My crucial pro tip? Set a payment reminder for before the promo period ends. Mark your calendar for 1 to 2 months before the 0% intro APR expires. This gives you time to make a final plan to pay off the remaining balance in full, avoiding a huge interest charge on the entire original amount. That's how you use a promotional offer to your financial advantage. Do you use 0% APR offers for big purchases or debt consolidation? Share your strategy in the comments. For more guides on smart credit card use, subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you next time.